Let me ask you a simple question. Can you understand English movies? Can you read English posts on Instagram or somewhere? Do you know basic grammar? But when someone suddenly says, "Tell me about yourself in English," does your mind go completely blank? You are silent and your mind go completely silent and blank. If your answer is yes, then listen carefully. The problem is not only your English, the problem is the way you have been learning English. In this video, I will explain the real reason why you still can't speak English fluently, and I will also give you a political solution that you can start using today. So let's guys, many people believe that they need more grammar books, a bigger vocabulary, or expensive English courses to become fluent. But let me tell you something, thousands of students know grammar rules. Many of students know grammar, your friend also, and everyone I think they know. They can solve grammar exercises, they can even score good marks in exam, and yet they struggle to speak even 2 minutes of speaking English confidently. But why? Do you know? Because schools teach us how to study English and they don't teach us how to use English in real conversation. Speaking English is not about collecting knowledge. Speaking English is a skill. It's a skill, simple skill, and every skill becomes stronger only through practice. Think about it. Can you learn swimming by reading a book? And can you learn diving by watching YouTube videos? Of course not. You have to get into the water, you have to sit behind the steering. Speaking English works exactly the same way. You don't have to read only. So friends, this is the biggest mistake most learners make. They first think in their native language and they translate every word into English. Finally, they try to speak and imagine this situation. Someone asks you, "What did you do yesterday?" And your brain starts working like this. Yesterday I went market, and how do I say it? Should I use go or went? Was it to the market or in the market? Before you finish thinking, the conversation is already over. So fluent speakers don't translate, they think directly in English, and you have to also think directly in English. Don't first think in Hindi. That is why they speak faster and more naturally. So I'm going to tell you how to fix it. Is it problem everyone's? But how to fix it? Start describing your surroundings in simple English. For example, I can say I'm recording with my phone, so I can say this is my phone and this is my mic, and I'm opening the camera, and I am drinking water. Maybe what word you are doing? The weather is very hot today, and don't worry about difficult words. Simple English is spoken every day is far more powerful than difficult English is spoken once a month. So okay, and mistake number 2. Now let's talk about the second reason. This is a fear. People don't fear English, they fear people's opinion. They know English, but they feel fear because people's opinion. What if they laugh at me? What if my grammar is wrong? What if I pronounce the words incorrectly? But remember this, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Everyone is a beginner. They start from basics, and every confident speaker made hundreds of mistakes. I also make hundreds of mistakes when I was learning English. They kept speaking. Imagine a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again. Does the baby quit for walking? No. The baby stands up and tries again. Learning English works the same way. Mistakes are not proof that you are failing. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. This is the biggest problem of people. They feel fear. So don't feel fear. Make a mistake, because if you make a mistake, you will learn. Many learners spend hours watching English videos. They buy books. I am agree with this, and also they memorize vocabulary, they complete grammar lessons, but how much do they actually speak? This is the matter. How much actually do they speak? Maybe 5 minutes, maybe not even that. Imagine someone who watches football every day. but never plays football. And that will that people become a great football player? No, also watching teaches you ideas. Speaking builds your skill. So if you want to become fluent, your speaking time should increase every single day. You have to speak every day. Knowledge without practice creates frustration, and practice creates confidence. Another reason people struggle is perfection. Perfection means they want to speak first time English and in a better way, but it is impossible. You are speaking first time English, and how you can speak fluently? Learners believe that they must speak perfect English before they start speaking. That is impossible. Everyone agree, and even native speakers make grammar mistakes. So how you can't make a mistake? Even professional speakers forget words sometimes. Fluency does not mean perfection. Fluency means expressing your ideas without stopping every few seconds. Instead of asking yourself, is my English perfect? Ask yourself, can the other person understand me? Just ask, can the other person understand me? Communication is always more important than perfection. In front of you, people is understanding your English, that's better. Now let me give you a simple routine. Follow this every day for the next 90 days. 5 minutes listen to English. Choose one short video or podcast. 5 minutes speak about the same topic in your own words. Just try and don't copy. Use your own sentences. 5 minutes record yourself and listen carefully. As I am recording the video, as you can also record, notice your mistakes and correct one or two mistakes every day. Don't try to improve everything at once. Small improvements every day create big results over time. Friends, remember this: fluent English is not a talent, it is a habit. And people who speak English confidently are not necessarily smarter, they simply practice more consistency. So don't wait until you feel ready. Start today and speak today. Speak now. Speak today, make mistakes today, improve tomorrow. One day you will look back and realize that the country was searching for was built one small practice sessions at a time. Believe in yourself, and your English journey starts with one sentence, and that sentence can begin today. So my dear friends, if you found this video helpful, type "I will speak English" in the comments box. It is your comments to yourself. If you want more practice video on spoken English, public speaking, confidence building and communication skills, make sure you are subscribed to AJ Pratik and my channel and turn on the notification